this small mistake may be costing you your YouTube monetization. So if you're a newly monetized channel, meaning you are new in the partner program, you've got a few months to verify your address, your physical location address, in order to get paid. Now remember, once you're fully monetized in the partner program, you have access to revenue on your ads, on your long form videos, and also shorts ads as well. So YouTube sends you a piece of mail. There is a PIN number that you're supposed to enter into your AdSense account, and that verifies your address. So here's the thing. I got one of my channels monetized, and I had moved recently, and so I was getting a lot of mail. I'm pretty sure I received the thing in the mail, which looks like this. And because I had gotten before, I had done some ads years ago, I think I threw it away because I thought it was like spam. I thought it was something to do with them giving me like, I don't know, like $500 bonus to go do their ads again. And so I don't know where it is. It's probably thrown away. So about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I received a notification from YouTube that if I didn't verify my address with the PIN, they were gonna stop the ads on my videos. And so I was like, okay, well, I have no idea where it is. I looked around my house, I couldn't find it. And so you can ask for a new mailer to come out to your house, or whatever the address is on file that you put. It'll take about 3 weeks or up to 3 weeks for you to get the PIN in the mail. Today, I get a notification from YouTube again telling me that ads are off on my videos and that I need to provide the PIN. So I'm freaking out. I look all over my house. I did have a stack of mail from the last week that I hadn't really looked through. And lo and behold, I've got a little mailer from Google AdSense. When you open this up, that's where the PIN is. And it says, this code is unique to your account and the payment address you want to verify. Please do not share this code with anyone else and know that Google will never call you and ask you for your code. Please note that we will stop serving ads through your account if you do not use this PIN to verify your address within 4 months. Well, that was today. So I went in and I put in the PIN, and within, I don't know, it was less than an hour, the monetization was fully restored on my videos. The thing is, I had gotten that notification earlier today, but I didn't really have that much urgency until I went into my analytics on my videos to check something about the monetization, to make sure that I had some ads placed in my videos, and the monetization tab was missing on my video. And that got me into action. And it's just so funny that sometimes you don't take action until it hurts you. And them removing the monetization from my videos made me jump into action and look for the little mailer that had my PIN code. For you, if you got your channel monetized, you must verify with the PIN. So look out for that, because I didn't know what to look out for. This is what mine looks like. It says Google AdSense. So that's what you want to look out for. So don't throw it away. It's not spam, especially if you just got your channel monetized. All right, everyone. If you learned something today, I'd appreciate if you hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do, to get the latest tips and strategies to grow your channel visibility and monetize. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy this one as well. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.